Usembut Menteri Rangbak Kejela berkemi ikatna transport ubak senyau bhalang dhar hakash pau terik risau ulaong banakaliang ka sorkar yang mentahi kampadon setia ya kanu-kanu ka jingmut ne jingtmu ban pensangi no ya ka jingpen poi lynti rel hapoh Rilum Khasi Jaintia. Uni Menteri habakren Syllad pathai khubor ulaong haduk mentahi ngimpat pensangi setia ya kani ka jingtmu kabaya dei ber ka jing wanrah ya ka lynti rel hapoh Rilum Khasi Jaintia. Bergidang syong bishar Byrnihat halor kani kapang. Ulaong ru baka projek kabaya day berkelinti rel hapoh Rilum Khasi Jaintia kalangat haka jing namar ka jing yang persya jongki kenhun baper kentup ya kiseng bhalang. Ulaong baka ne ka projek ka kentup ya kelinti rel Tetelia-Byrnihat ba kilometer bar ka Byrnihat-Shillong ba 4 kilometer. Kumtaru ulaong banamar ka nega jinglong jingman nakaliang ka sorkar kalarai ban wad daki weipat kilat kilinti nakabenta ban peniasok lynti rel kata napo East Jaintia Hills hendraya ka neru layang persya ajur daki pajba nong snong jong katany nalor kata uni menteri ula pentip ru baka sorkar haduk menta kampat syamla syim setia yakino kirai hakabaya dei berkane kebenta. Kata lakan pensangi ne peniat baik syakmat ya kane ka jingtmu ya mentahi ulaong bakidon kam banyak kren syua barki kenhun baper bat hadin kane kin sasyim ya karai ngindang peteng banyak kren barki kenhun baper henry ladaki kentan nyen haban pensangi no iaka ulaong syusyu.
Railway to also now we didn't take a decision. So yes, awareness program is just happening from DC from time to time. But this for railway thing to first we have to take all the stakeholders on board only. When everybody is on board, then we will take a call. Not drop, we are still examining. Opposition is always there because we cannot see opposition. They are lacks of understanding. It's the duty of the government to make them awareness. So when awareness is done, we will listen from their opinion. Yes. If there are opposed, why we should go for it? We'll just drop it. Simple as that. But unless and until everybody is on board, government is not decided to follow. Such simple as that. Unless and until our people is understand, we have to keep dialogue with them. And yes, finally, if they say no to it, then we have to stop it. Now, check it is already ruling. And yes, that we haven't come to the stage that we have to discuss about the part related with railway. Yeah, maybe a time will come. If railway is in place, then this is that we have to do. That we will see when time comes. I mean, as of now, we are planning to make our people understand. So let us see. It may take long procedure because since this thing is very new to our people, there is slightly sensitive issues. So therefore, it takes time for us to make them awareness. That is the decision of the government of India, not the state government. We will see. That we will see. Let us try. Let us hope for the positive first. And keep awareness all those areas which are done too. So we will see. We are still under examining, under negotiation, all these things. We haven't dropped it.